Hashtag clapperboard, how beginners should invest during a crypto crash. Crypto is crashing. Bitcoin is falling. Altcoins are bleeding. The market is full of fear. Beginners are scared. But here's the truth. Crypto crashes are where smart investors are made. If you are new to crypto, this might be the most important lesson you learn. When prices drop fast, most beginners panic. They open their app, they see red numbers everywhere, and they press sell. They think they are protecting their money. But later, the market recovers, and they realize they sold at the bottom. Fear is expensive. Another common mistake is buying random cheap coins. Many beginners think, this coin dropped 80%. It must go back up. But most small coins never recover. Cheap does not mean safe. Low price does not mean opportunity. Strong projects survive crashes. Weak projects disappear forever. Another big mistake is using leverage. Leverage looks exciting. Fast profits, big gains. But during crashes, leverage destroys accounts. One sharp move in the market, and everything is gone. That is why beginners should avoid leverage completely. Now, let's talk about what smart investors do. First, they stay calm. They understand that markets move in cycles. There's a bull market, there's a bear market, and then there's recovery. Crashes are normal. Second, they focus on strong assets. Instead of chasing hype, they invest in projects with history and adoption. Bitcoin, Ethereum, strong networks, strong communities, long-term survival. Third, they use something called dollar cost averaging. Instead of investing all their money at once, they invest small amounts regularly, every week or every month. This reduces risk and removes emotional decisions. They also keep some cash ready. Smart investors never go all in because during crashes, better opportunities can appear. Here is a simple beginner structure example. 40% cash, 40% Bitcoin, 20% Ethereum. No leverage, no random coins, no emotional trades. Simple, controlled, smart, and remember, this is education, not financial advice. Now, here is the most important mindset shift. Crypto crashes transfer money from emotional investors to patient investors. If you can stay calm while others panic, you are already ahead. Crashes are scary, but they also create opportunity. If you want to grow in crypto the smart way, subscribe to this channel. And in the next video, we will talk about how to know when the crypto crash is ending.